How are you today? My name is Ambrose Shem, and today I will show you from scratch how do you start customizing a WordPress website. For instance, you have just got a website from Global Internet Fortunes, and you bought it from Global Internet Fortunes. The domain name that you are provided, it's a WordPress website. So what you'll do, you go to Chrome. After going to Chrome, this is your Chrome. Then type here your domain name that you are just given, but you want to customize it. If I type my domain name only, this is a domain name. ambroseshem.me.ke is just a domain name. A domain name is just an address posting to a website, right? A domain name is an address posting to a website. So I'll click, if I open this domain name, it will land to my website. This is my website. As you have seen, I have already customized it like that, right? This is my website, but for you it is not customized. For instance, you'll have to type your domain name like this, then in front of it you just add a slash login. You want to enter into the back end of your domain name. Remember, what you have just recently opened is the front end, but the back end here, it is you add a login, then you click OK. And for here, for as a new person, you don't have the username and you don't have the password, right? So you'll just go to lost password. You click lost password. After clicking lost password, it will request you to enter the email address that you used when joining Global Internet Fortunes, that you used to buy this WordPress website or this domain. So my email address that I used, it is this one. So this is the email address that I used. Then I click get a new password. It will tell you that check your email for the confirmation link, then visit the login page. So I'll go back to my email. I'll just look my email and wait for the message. Here it's a message from WordPress. It's telling me someone has just requested a password reset for the following account site, right? This is the name, username, admin. If this was a mistake, ignore this email or nothing will happen. To reset your password, visit the link below. This link, this password reset request originated from this device, right? So this, if I click this link, I will be able to go and reset the email, the password of my website. But for now, I don't want to reset it, so I will ignore this message, right? Let me just go back. So let me go back. So if I come here back to login, for instance, if you click that reset password, let me just go there and click so that you can see what I'm saying. If I click this, you will see that there is a password generated here. So I'll have to come delete this password, right? And then create new password, like make it strong. You can create it. Maybe you can write Kenya. This is just but a suggestion, don't use this one, right? Then fully stop. This somehow strong password, right? And then after doing that, you will save. That means you would have created a new password, right? leave this site. So I've just shown you how to change the password. So after changing the password, this page will appear. So you'll write here the username, your username that you have just created, and the password that you have just created, right? And then you click login, right? Then you'll come back to the back end of your website and start customizing it. Well, now that you are on the home page, this is the dashboard, this is the back end of your website, right? But before, when you bought this website, when you buy your website at first place, it looks like this. This is how your website looks after buying a domain. Like for instance, I'll use this website as an example, zaweriakaraoke.me.ke. This is just but a new website that has not been customized. As you can see, this is the story of global internet fortunes that you have just got a domain. It's train you, mentors you, helps you to get started about online business and online marketing, affiliate, blogs and articles, how to navigate global internet fortune sites, how to sign up, how to upgrade and sign up, 8 basic skills of these are that's sample posts that you have been given by the company. From there you go and make your own post, but first this website you have to change it from GIF web hosting to make it your own website by changing the name of GIF web hosting and adding up your name and changing the theme, the look of this website. Like you can see this, it's looking like it's owned by Global Internet Fortunes, but you have to change it to look like you are the owner of this website. So first and foremost, you are going to change the theme. This is your home page. You go and change the appearance. The theme is got at the appearance, the outlook. How is the website looking? That's the appearance, right? Then if you click the appearance, as you can see, we have the themes, customize, wages, menus, right? So our interest here is on the theme. Shall click on the theme. As you can see, this is the company theme that you have just got, like the primary theme, but you want to get your own theme. So what I'll do, I'll just come here, add theme and search. The other time I showed you, we are going to use maybe new system, right? As we have searched Newsys, this is the theme called Newsys. I told you this is just but a scratch. You can go ahead and do your own research of good other themes that you can use, that you are good at. But for an example, I'll show you this theme that I know. You can go do yourself a research and get more themes that supports WordPress and use them. As you can see, it's not alone. We have Blogway, we have Newsys, and as many more themes. Sorry, let me search Newsys. Yeah, we have as many themes as they're more than enough, right? So allow me to use this Newsys as an example. So after clicking that Newsys, what you will do next is to install. After clicking it, I will click on install. After clicking on Newsys, and then you click the activate button. After installing, then you click on the activate button, right? So you'll be introduced. Hello news. That's just for the demo. What you are concentrated is now that we want to look the changes. I will take you step by step. Okay, after now changing the theme, as I say that you can come here on the front side and refresh to see if the changes have applied. As you can see, we have some changes, that we have changed our theme to Newsys, and here it's how it is, right? So yours should be looking like this after changing from the previous theme to Newsys theme. You can see here it's JF Web Hosting and Web Hosting and Online Marketing Company. So what we want to change is the site title. This GIF Web Hosting is the site title. Web Hosting and Online Marketing Company is the site tagline. So we shall go change the site title and the site tagline. So I shall go back to the back end of my website. Yeah, you just go to the dashboard and go the same process. We are just on appearance. We are still dealing with the appearance. Then customize the appearance. You want to customize the theme that you have just loaded, and first thing we say that we want to change the site title. So here is the site title. As you can see, the site title is JF Web Hosting, the name that you have just seen on the other side. So I will clear this name and maybe say our site title is, maybe, what can I say, like our site title is we want to make blogs. Maybe let me use just the official name of the owner of this website, Zaweria Karaoke. Then the tagline, you also clear the OGF Web Hosting and write that the tagline is maybe me and tech. I'll use the tagline that I always use, right? You can assume that this is your site title, and after doing everything you publish. Then you can still go on the front end and refresh to see if the changes have applied. So you can see my name, site title has changed to Zaweria Karaoke, and our tagline, it's me and tech. But you see we have a photo here. The red photo here. That is the header image. We want to change it and put it our own header image. So we shall go back to the back end, and but before we go to our header image, as you can see, this Zaweria Karaoke me and tech, it's in white. You can change it to your desired color, right? You can go on the back end. You can see here select color and select maybe your desired color is yellow and publish. So if you come to the front end and refresh, you will have seen that the name has changed to yellow, the color that you have changed. So I'll take you speed to the header image, or you can select, is either you can use the logo depending on the theme you're using or the style you want. You can still put the logo if you have a logo, or you add a header image. As you can see, the red image, it's here. So we want to change this one. You add a new image and select from your gallery. You can select either from your media. The photos that you have already uploaded will appear here, that you have ever uploaded. As you can see from here, these are default photos that came with this website. The company gives you some few photos for a start that you can use them, but you can still upload your own photos that maybe you have already created from your phone and use them. For example, you can come here and select any photo and use it, But for instance, I will use an uploaded photo. I'll use maybe for this girl. So select and crop this photo. As you can see, I don't want to crop it as much as past there. I think that one is good. And then I click on crop image. I think I haven't made any change. As you can see, the current header image, it is this. Then don't forget to publish. Anything you do, don't forget to publish. If I come here and refresh to see if the changes I've made, I'll see that the header image has changed to Zaweria Karaoke. As you can see, the header image there is a nice photo of this girl, Zaweria Karaoke, right? Then we have this. As you can see, this website has now started looking like it's your own website, right? What next will I show you? I'll show you how to add a post. Like you can see, we have here how to navigate JF site, how to sign up, 8 building blocks, right? These are the posts that came with this website, but you have to delete them and add your own posts to start creating your own thing, right? These are just the posts that the company gives you for a start, but you can come here now and add your own posts. So I'll take you first to how to add a post. How to add a post before I'll come and show you how we deal with all other these, the footer page, the color, the background image, the menu, the widgets. But first, let me show you how to add a post. So this is your dashboard, this is your home page. Like you can come click here, the plus that you see here, you can see add a post, add a media, add a page, add a testimony, add a client, add a portfolio item, add a user. So our interest is how to add a post. That's where our interest is, how to add a post. How to add a post. So this is how your website will appear. That's how it will appear. You can add a title. Let me say my title is how to customize. I'm just using this title as an example of a post, how to customize a website. Maybe that's the title of my blog, right? Then I come here and give the tips how to customize the website. Maybe I can start writing here and write first. You have to know how to get to your backend, right? Like I can get those tips, highlight them in paragraph form and write a story as much as I can, right? And do publish. But before we add this post, as you can see, this preview won't give you enough field or of how to do this thing. So I'll show you another thing, how to add a plugin. Let me first just publish this post of mine. As you can see, it's saying me to show immediately. Let me just publish it. I'll come to edit it later, but I want to show you something on plugins. We want to make it easy to create this post, right? So we'll come to plugins. Plugins my internet is misbehaving. Okay, plugins is just like on your phone. You always install an app. Remember, if you buy a new phone, it doesn't come with WhatsApp, it doesn't come with Facebook. You install Facebook. The same way, this is a new website, so you'll have to install some supportive plugins that will enable you to do things easily. For example, I want to make a post, but you have seen the other field, it is not giving me enough free space for me to make some changes on that post. So I'll come here on plugins and install a plugin called Classic Editor, and come here, search Classic Editor. As you can see, it's here. I already installed it, so I'll have to click activate it. I'll activate the Classic Editor plugin. So you can see this plugin is activated. It's called a Classic Editor plugin that enables you to activate. It enables you to edit a post on a WordPress website easily. So if I come to my posts, let me go back to the post that I created. And show you something. The posts, all posts. How to customize the website. I edit this post. So this, as you can see, the look, it's now different from the other one. You can see the title is here, how to customize website. Then as you can see, the writing part, it's now different, and it's giving you a variety of like the normal word office that you use. It is giving you all those options that I can select this and bold, right? So I can come here. I can come here and select category. What category do I want this post to be? I can select, maybe I want this post to be a marketing post, or I can add a trending, maybe, so that you can show there it's trending, it's marketing, right? 2, I can add a hashtag. How do I want this hashtag? Maybe my hashtag is #educate. So if I'll be creating the posts that are educative using these hashtags, maybe let me just write educate, right? So that's the hashtag. Then I add it. So I'll come and select this hashtag. Then select a featured image. This was my point of concern. Like, for example, if I come to this website, the front end of this website, sorry, if I come to the front side of this website, how to customize website, you can see this was our post that we created, but it's showing nothing. Like, it doesn't have a featuring image. It's just like that. We did nothing. But if you can see this, how to navigate JF site, this is a post made by the company. You can see this featuring image, right? So that image, this is featuring image. They're helping you to see these are images inside the post, but this one is a featuring image. That's why it's appearing here at the front end. You can see this sign up now. These are featuring image. These images that are moving here, these are featuring image. That's where was my point of concern. So I'll come here to the and select a featuring image. Set a featuring image. So maybe a featuring image, let me either choose this one. as the featuring image and set it as a featuring image, right? So you can see how it's appearing there, right? As you can see, the slug, how to customize, the author is the admin. Then you come, after doing all this, come here, write your story to an end, make it long as possible as a normal block, and then click on update. So if I come to the front end and refresh it, you can see how our post is now here. It's trending, the most new. You can see the top hashtag, it's educate, right? It has added here. You can have as more hashtags as possible. You can come here and see our post is here. It has a featuring image. These are featuring image that you have just set. The post has been made this date, right? You can see, if I would have wrote everything here, it will appear. So that's how you add a post, right? Let me go back to the front end and refresh it. So you have seen how we add posts. That's one way how we add posts. And then I'll show you in the next episode, I'll show you how to add a page and where do they appear. But in a brief, most pages, they appear on the menu here, right? As you can see, if I go home, I'll get the pages and whichever. So I'll show you that in the next episode.